Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Printify's analytics to optimize your product listings. First, head over to Printify and log in. First, before I explain how to use the analytics, I would recommend you go to your products, and to create a better product listing, click on your product, and when you scroll down, you'll see there is a Write with AI. I would definitely recommend trying this out to see if it can create a better title and description for your product. If you're happy with what the AI wrote, simply just click on save or publish, and that's a quick and easy way for you to create a semi-better product listing. In order to use your analytics to create better product listings, you would need to try selling different products and trying different product listings, the same products. For example, if you have one type of title for a t-shirt and then you change it after a week, you can use the analytics to see which title was better and which one performed better. Using the analytics, you'll be able to see, for example, how many people have clicked through and seen your products, how many have bought your products, etc. So you can use this and see which designs may have been doing better, which type of products are doing better, etc. And then choose from whichever ones are doing best, whichever designs are doing best, and whichever product listings are doing the best, and start copying either designs to, for example, from a t-shirt to a hoodie. Start copying some parts of listings, for example, what's in the description of a t-shirt, add that to a hoodie, etc. And that's basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.